So yeah, this is a demo setup with the Fireboard Pollux, and in this kit configuration we have the Fireboard Pollux, of course, and the Phytec camera VMO16. The Fireboard Pollux runs here with the quad-core Cortex A53 with 1.6 GHz, 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of eMMC, CAN FD, 64 MB of SPI NOR, industrial temperature range, VPU, ISP, and most exciting for me, the NPU. So, and if you look at the screen, you can see that if I look into the camera, you will notice that my face is detected and locked. And yeah, let's see who I am. Jim Carrey. I actually like him. So let's see what's behind the demo. Here in this image you now see the whole overview of the demo. In the left part, the blue box, you see the facial recognition part, which you saw in the live demo. And in the upper right part, the yellowish box, you see what's happening after the button is pressed. And in the green box below, you can see what we have to do before we can actually run this demo for preparation.